jealous. I believe marriage is from God now. Anyone that God is giving you, you can marry.
Person where they very, very jealous. Ah, go there hard though.
No, I no fit. Seriously, as in I no fit.
So far God is giving you that one. Maybe God have already assigned you to marry that particular one. So there's nothing you can do.
I just can't tell, but I no fit. I no fit. I no fit. I no fit.
Anything marriage like this, deal with a lot of calculation. You don't go say you go just see person marry anyhow. You got to look before you marry. I go study and well, I don't go fix.
Yes, so now welcome back. I say BOBOS on top Wazobia TV. We did what we want today. They very, very perfect.
I want to say something because you know me. I like saying the truth. Can you raise your right hand up, please? If you have been watch before now, this black handband be no day in hand. One girl enter this bar, give him this thing.
Way up, I feel blessed.
This yeah. Oh, you feel blessed?
I feel blessed.
I'm saying this is how you want to come tell me, say, oh, you don't want to have to be jealous. Baby, see, a girl gave me this. Go and try it.
These are the kind of things you make. When I get home now, I go show my people, see, oh, one pretty girl just gave it to me at Cool FM.
She go step up.
And then she'll not be happy.
Like, what does she look like? I say, man, she's sexy. She's got a nice...
If you get mind.
Man,
I
want to do and die.
Let me also expose him, please. He likes fair girls. There's no need. You that girl with your work at this back. He likes fair girls. And you must be very slim.
What do you know about me?
Very slim.
I met this guy in 2014. What do you know about me?
But am I right or wrong? Small, do you like slim or fair or fat girls?
You don't even know. The specs change sometimes. So.
Based on what?
Based on
the mood.
The development of your wife. So the day she decided to grow fat, we share specs.
Hey, woman, are you hearing? No. I hear this, your
You don't say, and this thing, really, Yomi, you prove one point for that. You don't say, woman will be extremely jealous, so we say, love you. If you don't go add weight, that time when we say, they sexy, set, he can't go fat. Can't see men, so the jealous things go increase.
When go increase, die.
He go double.
Then you still make sense.
And
but
that period.
Why is that period they go feed you spoil?
Why? So that make you follow fast? No, because you see, and I guess some men with you also make their wife very like this. Yomi can do it. Your wife can't add weight. You can't begin the workout with slim girls.
My wife no try, Sha.
To add weight.
She no try.
Cause you know,
because you know what?
Respect,
I thought they ring her for a year. Say see.
But no be her fault.
No, she no go try. You know what? What you can do for your wife is to assist her when she even gives birth.
To do what?
You understand? Because you know what? She also I've had my girls say, fine, who be your role model? Because your role model has a very serious role to play.
So if my role model now Oprah.
Oprah.
I say if not babe now.
If she big like Oprah for her age, Oprah.
It's not a problem.
Money Oprah for her age.
Oh, you don't mind?
I don't mind.
You see, I said this guy no just make money from the only tailor. You have to tell us because
you don't even know how far. You don't even know how far.
Tell us how far.
I do other stuff people don't know about.
Well, like what?
You know, I'm into stage design. I do set design. What you guys have here, I do stuff like this.
I have said it. I know that one.
Design.
No, I know you do sex design.
Most of the AY Live stage you guys see outside Lagos. Those are my jobs.
Yomi does sex design.
Not sex design. I mean, nigga.
What do you say you do again now? Sex design.
Sex design.
I bet
I'm into interiors as well.
Showman no just
You've seen my house.
I've seen. I know.
So,
Yomi they try.
You need to see my new place I'm opening soon.
Yes, flagship store in the common version.
What would you do, Yomi, if, for instance, you go somewhere? Let's say you go shopping mall with your woman now. You go shopping mall, then you get some set of very sexy young girls. We see you there, and then set die. Like in talk, fair, spotless.
Yeah, in respect.
Pink lips.
I know them.
May they just see you now. May they rush come meet you, follow you dance, hug you, do everything, take pictures and all that. Then as they go like this, maybe they just collect your BB pin. Then your woman just collect your phone for your hand, smash them for ground. Bah! Unto say it is jealousy. Why you gonna do that kind of thing in public? How you go take handle that kind of situation? Because now waiting jealousy they lead to without.
Okay, fine. Let me say this. I know my woman so well. Tell woman how they date.
My woman,
She's very God
my
fearing.
everything.
She's God fearing. Like
My woman.
any woman that has a fear of God in her, that's like a guidance for her. She before she go react, that thing they step and down, say, fine, what would Jesus do?
So what if? No, just put yourself in that
Pastor!
situation. What if you did that situation?
Okay, if I did that situation, she could come my phone. Yeah, come on, man. I'm the public figure there. She's not just
So
my
you
wife.
go
Me, I will just calm down. I might even walk out.
I
So
think there's
make her
always
see.
a way.
Let me tell you one easier to kill woman. When she dey spark, not spark follow am. Then play the fool. It doesn't make you a fool.
Now they hear?
You dey get?
Now they hear?
It doesn't make you a fool. Me, I like to play the fool sometimes.
Coming from an experienced man.
When she dey misbehave, man, just dey look am like this or walk out, carry your car keys, drive comot. Man, she go there as like fool for her. She go be like mumu.
Now don't they hear, but
When you come back, you know, you just see pounded yam, they come out kitchen, things they come out, things they root out.
you know, on this show we expose you with we give you the advice. You see, these are men that have been dating
you
for.
react based on her action, man. You
No, Yomi, but you don't date for like how many years now? Like 20 years?
No, 15 years.
15 years in dating.
Yeah.
So when do you plan to get married? Because you
No,
know
see,
they expire.
let me tell you one thing about marriage. Marriage, my friends they don't marry. I'm happy for them.
Like Elenu.
Elenu, Sheila, Senator,
See?
Emeka Smith, a lot of them.
And you are here.
I'm happy for them. You know one thing about marriage? I believe there's this driving force, this happiness, this joy. When you're even making plans for your marriage, that joy that they say, man, I can't wait to just carry your
I
entire
put
house.
it to you, point blank and categorically, that there are two reasons why you are still not married.
One.
Number one, you are not done with the cranking that you still want to be
No,
cranky. Excuse me,
what
let me
else-
finish,
what-
please. And number two, you are not jealous enough of your babe. Your wife to
No.
be. Because if you are very jealous enough,
I
you
remember
will
this
rush
is your
and
opinion.
marry
I don't
her.
dey vex with wetin
Because
she
there are
want.
men like us that can snatch and it be snatched.
Let's do this your
Wait,
opinion.
wait,
We snatch
wait.
any one men like him.
I'm not telling you now. ahead of
Men
time.
like him.
Men like us, we snatch.
Like
Wait,
him.
wait. Showman, do you have a girlfriend?
So go on the break. Let's.
No,
go
not
on
break.
the
Yeah, do you have a
Let's
girlfriend?
Go on the break. Where we come back.
Answer.
Showman, do you have a girlfriend?
After the break, I'll answer you. There's no time.
Mo,
again.
this is your
After
opinion,
I'm-
Jare.
I'm
Do
not
you
afraid
have a
of you.
girlfriend?
Go for one. Just
I'll marry her now.
Jealous, no, I no fit. But it depends, so depends on the kind of jealous where the person they jealous for. But for me, I don't think say that one good though. Partner will go jealous you, no. No fit.
Yes, I think my person is jealous because there are some things where you go like making they jealous of, where you go still freak you to real trick for the person.
Welcome back. Una don't hear everywhere our women them gas talk. A lot of them talk say no, they no
Yes.
fit. A lot of them say they no fit.
You
A
know,
lot
we
of them say
hearing
no
what
fit.
they don't talk, more already the tweets.
Yeah,
Then
more
we
the
give
tweets,
this
then
Yomi
we-
to the time to talk plenty because he is very experienced in cranking matters. So, Gladys Abba, you say, I love it when my man is jealous. It shows me he loves me so much. He did good, but beware of jealous lovers. Shao. Grace Joshua Olochukwu say no, because all girls are jealous. The ones that try to hide it are those ones that can kill. But the one that shows it out can kill. I hope you can understand what she's
I
saying.
don't understand.
I don't understand that.
Yeah?
I don't
He said the
understand
one. He said the ones that try to hide it are those ones that can't kill, but the ones that shows it can kill. So I don't. That I've read it.
I know
Today
you-
Olumide say I can't marry that woman. She fit kill me with jealousy one day. Blessing God say yap, cause sometimes jealousy means love. And Jen Lucky knows how this person like to always talk one word. Say no.
But basically, I not say e no good when you dey jealous, oh, but e get where your jealousy go reach, e go lead to hatred.
I have a story.
Of course.
I have a
Yeah, well,
story.
you
I have a
reach-
story. I don't tell her the
reach-
story
reach-
before for inside this bar. Where one man, let's say the man been the crank normally, but he don't even stop the cranking matter, you understand? But the wife still they believe say this guy the crank. So she come here say he always go one hotel every evening. Then she go the hotel to go look for her. She just go reach there. The guy now already and the man first they sit down alone, you understand? The babe wey he want crank or whether not to come do meeting never show. Then the wife come. As she just come, the wife come sit down next to her. Oh, the baby, why you do here? She just say no. She just say she just came to have a drink. Okay. Quiet. Next thing, the babe, wait the man they wait for. Show. The wife begin para. The man just carrying load, you understand? Carrying key, drive, go house. So drive, go house. The next day, he carry wife, then go village. Now he tell them, say, don't bring his wife, come give them. They say, what's happened? He say he catch his wife for hotel. That's where stories. That where story change. Now the man they crank. He did the bad guy. But now I say reach here, he change him. You understand for him. So you know, women, you get how jealousy also do. You need to also hold her careful because sometimes you get how you go push her, you go push yourself out of a relationship.
But being extremely jealous no be really good thing.
But
We don't talk to me, you know, they
you
jealous.
can't really blame the woman. You know, you don't even know what you don't do to make a woman get that jealous. You know, while you're taking care of a woman, you are sowing a seed.
True.
You get you don't sow the seed where you don't plant, the seed don't even grow. That love don't grow.
Sorry to cut you. I need to know what type of seed because people like you, I know you sow. You've been sowing a lot of seeds.
You can sow a seed from different angles. It might be your level of care.
Like when you crack and you release, that's
not that kind of
what
sowing.
I'm trying. No,
that's from your own perspective.
No, I need to explain what you're trying to say when you say sowing of a seed.
I'm going to use him as a woman, yeah.
Okay, good.
He's the woman.
He's the woman, yes. Normally, yes. Yeah.
I'm always checking on her.
I didn't look you.
I'm jealous.
If you Yomi, you are a very bad husband.
So you actually saw me. You saw me. You saw me. You saw me. No. You saw me. And you did not look at me. If you go and looking at jealous, don't come to me. Face him.
You're looking at showman.
Face him.
And you too.
I'm
You
jealous.
too.
My woman, my everything. My woman, I go big give you anything. My woman, oh, my everything. My woman, oh, my everything. Woman, you proper, woman, you straight. Man, a brother, your genetic traits. Waiting for you was never too late. Remember, said you want the food in on the plate. I love me indicate and it is so concrete. And we never lose faith for making you my soulmate. Get this one straight, say are you married? No matter how them yet, they can take you any date. Do you anything, on the bed. First thing, early money, medicine. You want me everything. No me woman to me, you mean everything.
If you are not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.